Hi there. We want to introduce the Bobcat E17z digger, available from TVE Hire and Sales approved Bobcat dealers for Southern England. Introducing the Bobcat E17z, your powerhouse for tight spaces. This mini excavator redefines compact performance. Imagine tackling big jobs where others can't even fit. With its true zero house swing, you'll work flush against walls, no worries. Experience unmatched precision with a 320-degree rotation range, giving you total control. And feel the speed? That's the fast hydraulic performance, boosting your productivity. Need to move? Easy. The E17z is designed for effortless transport. Don't let size fool you. This machine's built tough, ready for anything. It's the perfect blend of power, precision, and portability, making it the ultimate tool for those challenging, confined jobs. The Bobcat E17z, big capability, tiny footprint. To find out more, contact Matt at TVE Hire and Sales and he will be happy to give you more information and set up a demonstration.